Okay, what are we doing today? We are down in the basement and moving stuff to get more space for our studio setup, to make pictures for the menu and to photograph all the food that is Christoph serving in his food truck. So let's get started. Okay, almost done. That's the place where the food photography will be happening. Here, where are the lights? I don't know. Oh, here. The lights need to be mounted on the ceiling. There will be a backdrop mount and a paper backdrop coming down. So, let's do this. Okay, let's prepare the background. Woo. Right now, this is just some random food and I'm preparing the light setup for the final dishes. They're getting prepared right now. Oh, fuck! Christoph was not happy with the background, so let's paint it again. I will not stay here forever and the menu will change regularly. So we shoot an iPhone that Christoph will also be able to shoot his dishes here in his studio with an iPhone. I freaking love my job. Yeah!